Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, working on Dad's Mustang, 96 Mustang GT, putting the motor in it. Jake, we gonna be able to get this motor in today or what?
Yeah.
This one out and in today? We gonna have it running today or what? High hopes. We'll see though. Let's just focus on trying to get this one out for now. So we'll keep y'all tuned in on that. Alright guys, so a little update. Got the exhaust out the car. Got the drive shaft. Got the drive shaft loose. One thing I'm gonna do is the cross member and then the motor mounts. I'm gonna do the shifter on the inside, and then we'll be pulling the motor out of it. But all right, so we'll get at it. Right. We'll see.
I can't touch it.
Yeah, the black one is a little fast. All right. Let's see. Hand me a 7/16, Jake. Get the shifter out. Undo the cross member. Motor mount. And then we'll jerk the motor out of it real quick. This thing's dirty on the inside. It's been sitting for a little while. Needs a good cleaning on it. Still a very pretty car. We got the little roll cage in the back. Nothing too serious. It'd be a nice little daily driver. Something to put around town in. Oh shit, I was wrong. That's a half. I said 7/16. Jake Bart. What goofy, yeah. Alright, well, battery's running low, so we'll get this off and then try to get the mounts and the motor mounts and the cross member undone and get the motor mount, and we'll get back with you.
Yeah, I can use any frame from the video.
Yeah, y'all see it. That's the motor on its way out. Had to get a little creative with it, but it's coming out. So, almost got it. Stay tuned. What's up? Update time. So, today is Sunday of the weekend after of the previous videos, or you'll see kind of the difference in it. You can see we got mess all laid out here, but we got the new motor ready to go in. Look to the transmission. Got a new clutch on it. Put some new motor mounts on it. Still got to go get a throttle body gasket, or throttle body gasket for it. Get the throttle body on it, and motor oil and some transmission fluid. But we ain't gonna worry about that until we get the motor in the car. Got cleaned up under here a good bit, ready to go in. Still got to get the fuel pump in. So we'll work on getting this motor in real quick, and then once I get it in, I'll give y'all an update. By myself, ain't got nobody help me today, so we're gonna try to give it the best. So we'll see what happens.
Other one. Just a little bit. The other wheel hit it off. That fucking wheel there. Stands out the most is the fans. I think we're doing all right. We're going it down a little bit. Coming to see our shows. Whoop. Okay, come on. Come on down. Let's get over there. Come on down, okay? Come on down, okay?
gonna be able to come in a little bit more now.
Yeah, I stand on it, but there, get it burn off camera. Hold up, son. Now that.
Shifter's down below it now.
Alright. What's going on?
Huh?
Hold on. I was wondering why that motherfucker looked like it was still dropping.
All right, son, let's play with it.
Tighten the damn thing up.
Okay.
I said I was wondering why it looked like it was still dropping. It's because I forgot to tighten the thing
a
up.
little bit. It was steady. He didn't have it tight and it was
Like you what? Jack it up.
Jack the transmission up.
Yeah, I think that we're gonna have to move the chain further back to the motor.
Yeah, but we ain't gonna be able to set the motor down because the last time I set it down, I bent the stud on the mother manifolds and I don't want to think
Okay.
Listen.
It's steady going backwards.
yeah, I mean it's gotta come pretty good piece to be leveled out.
Yeah, you're gonna have to let
You're
it
gonna
down
have
a
to
little.
drop it a little bit more.
Yeah, you're gonna have to let the motor down a little bit more, son.
It looks like to me it's headed right if you let down just a little bit more. Okay,
hold
wait a minute. It's got to come forward just
Yeah.
a cut.
Let that pick up just a tad, yours.
There it is, it just fell in.
You got balls, don't you? Check this
Oh, that's a-
motherfucker by itself.
That's a friggin' hood full right there, buddy.
Fucking nightmare, ain't it?
Oh yeah. I mean you.
That's a motherfucking cassette. That's what that is.
Hey, where they got that car yours?
How do you change your plugs on this
Plugs
motherfucker?
are right here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna say you'll pull the fucking fingers off, put some plugs.
You learned something about leverage today, didn't you? You have to use leverage, so you don't have that back.
Good. Well, it's ready to boat down, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do screwdrivers and shit? Sometime you get the damn fans and shroud and radiator, the whole front of it's full.
So if y'all can't tell by the start of this clip, we got the car running. So I know in the clip before this, you'll see we left off where we was putting the motor and transmission back in the car. After that, it was just hooking up a few wires and things like that, putting the drive shaft, exhaust and stuff like that back on. So I didn't film none of it because I wanted to get it done. I had to wait on a throttle body gasket, so that took a couple days to get here, so it set it back. So it's actually a couple weekends later, but the car's finished, so I'll give y'all a walk around on the car. We'll look over it, and then I'll take you for a little ride in it around the block, and then yeah, that'll be it for this video. So, but there it is. It's still running pretty good. Here's the interior on it. Still needs to be cleaned. Still really dirty, but the more we drive it, the better it runs. I went ahead and I tuned it just on a 93 tune, so nothing spectacular, nothing special. Something simple. Pop the hood, let you see under here real quick. Don't roast me about the hood only being latched on one side. I know it's because the battery. This is the right size battery. It's a little too big, so I want to let the hood shut all the way. But there it is though. Runs super good. Got a little bit of smoke coming out of it, but I think that's just because it's been sitting so long. So eventually the rings will come back around, seal themselves back up, and you know it won't even have that little bit of haze to it. But other than that, it runs really good. The motor's really quiet. Very happy with the purchase of the motor. So seems like it's gonna work out good. I'm happy. Most of all, Dad's happy he's got his car going. So, but we'll take y'all for a ride around the block real quick. Like I said, runs really good, especially with all the old gas that was in the gas tank. Just topped it off with fresh 93 and put some additives in it, try to help get that old gas to burn through. But car rides good, considering it's lowered. Car rides real good. Fairly quiet, not too many vibrations or noises or anything like that. Still got a brake in the clutch, so not doing any hard shifts or high RPMs or hard launches or anything like that. We'll put about 1,000 miles or so on the clutch, and then once we get some miles on the clutch, then we'll see we'll open it up and see what it's got then. But just from putting it around, you can tell it's going to be a pretty peppy little car for 9 PI 2-valve. Got a real bad bump right here, slow down. Yep, but so other than that, like I said, it rides pretty darn good. Shift's good. Everything seems to be working okay. Just need to put some miles on it and start driving it. The fuel gauge doesn't work, so got to do some calculations and see about how many miles per gallon we'll end up getting out of it. But so. Wrap it up for this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned, because this is not the last you're going to see of this car. We're going to see more of Dad's Mustang. We're going to be doing more to it. I know he wants to do a paint job on it and put some rims and tires on it, but we'll do one last walk around of it. So on that note, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the car. And on that note, y'all have a great day and a better one tomorrow.